Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today we are going to discuss about the exercise of the poem books. I hope you enjoy this poem in your previous video. So, before starting the exercises, let's have a quick overview on this poem. So students, this poem is about of books in the library. In this poem, the poet is telling that the library door asks the child to come inside. When the child entered in the library, he saw a lots of books with different shapes and sizes in the library shelves. He has picked up one book, and when he opened the book, he could see the beautiful pictures, and after seeing those pictures, he can understand the story well. So students, in this poem, we studied about the books with different shapes and sizes in the library. Now, let's do the exercise. Question number A. Write T for true or F for false. So students, here few statements are given. You have to read this statement and you have to write T for true statement and F for false statement. First is done for you, that is, the library door asks the child to come in. So this is correct statement. So you have to write here T. Now let's come to the second one. The child saw toys and chocolates. So students, in this poem, the child saw a lots of books of different shapes and sizes in the library. So this statement is wrong. So you have to write here F. Now let's come to the third one. Tall, skinny books were kept on high shelves. So students, this statement is correct because in this poem, tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. So this statement is true. So you have to write here T. Now let's come to the fourth one. The child sat down to draw and color. So students, in this poem, you studied that the child opened the book and sat down. So this statement is wrong. So you have to write here F. Now let's come to the fifth one. The child saw a book in which pictures told stories. So this statement is correct. So you have to write here T. Now play with words. Let's come to the question number B. Circle the words used in the poem to describe books. Here some words are given. You have to circle the word which is used in this poem to describe books. So the first word is tall. So this word is used in this poem. The second one is happy. You have to circle the word tall. Happy is not given in this poem. So you have to leave this. Now let's come to the next word, skinny. So this word is also given in this poem. So you have to circle the word skinny. Next is fat. You have to also circle the word fat. Next word is black. This is not given in this poem. Sad is also not given in this poem, so you have to leave the word black, sad and happy. Little and wonderful are used in this poem, so you have to circle the word little and wonderful. Now let's have some grammar fun. Nouns tell us if a person or an animal is a male or a female. Son, daughter, lion, lioness. So students, here incomplete table is given. You have to write they are male or female. Look at the question number C. Complete the table. First one is brother. So you have to write sister below the brother. Next one is girl. So you have to write boy above the girl. Next, aunt. You have to write uncle above the aunt. Next is king. You have to write queen below the king. Next is father. You have to write mother in the below of father. Now let's come to the question number D. Match the animal pairs in the two columns. So students, here two columns are given. You have to match this with correct answer. The first one is drake. You have to match the drake with duck. The second one is peacock. You have to match the word peacock with peahen. The third one is lion. You have to match the word lion with lioness. The next is horse. You have to match the horse with mare. The last one is tiger. You have to match the word tiger with tigress. So students, I hope you understand the exercises of this poem by this video. You have to write this in your fair copy and you have to also learn this. And you have to learn the poem also. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.